Hi, and welcome to the Easy Way channel. If you are watching this video, I assume that you are having problems with launching your Fall Guys game. I will show you a few possible fixes, so stay with me until the end of the video, and we will start right after the intro. Feel free to hit that like button while I come back. Okay. First close your Epic Games launcher here. Now you will go into your Fall Guys installation folder. Open File Explorer and go to C Drive. For some of you, path will be Program Files. And here, you will have Epic Games folder. And inside you will have Fall Guys folder. And some will open Program Files x86 folder. Then Epic Games folder. And here you will see Fall Guys folder, so open it. I installed my Fall Guys on custom location, so I will open it there. Now, you need to set this 4 files to run as administrator in Compatibility tab. Right-click on it, and select Properties. Click on Compatibility tab, and check this box next to Run this program as administrator. Click Apply and OK. Now do this for next files. And this, Fall Guys launcher. Check to run as administrator. And also, check to run this program in compatibility mode. And select Windows 8. Launch the game, and see is it working. If not, close Epic Games launcher. And open File Explorer. Go to C Drive. Program Files x86 for me. Then Epic Games folder. Then Launcher. Portal. Binaries. And then Win64 folder. Find Epic Games Launcher. Right-click on it and select Properties. Select Compatibility tab. And check the box next to Run as Administrator. Click Apply and OK. Now run the game and see if this fixed your problem. If Fall Guys won't start, then go to Fall Guys installation folder and uncheck all of that settings we have done on all 4 of these files. But here, on Epic Games Launcher, leave it to run as admin and start the game. If you still can't launch the game, try next method. Launch your Epic Games launcher. Go to Library. And right-click on Fall Guys. Click on Verify, and wait until this process is finished. The game will now be scanned for any missing or corrupted files, and if any, it will replace it with new ones. Leave it to the end of scan. And when it's done, launch the game. The next thing you will do is clear the launcher web cache. Close Epic Games Launcher completely. Right-click on Start and select Run. Here type %localopdata, %, and hit Enter. Now find Epic Games Launcher folder and open it. Now open Saved folder. And here you will see Webcache folder. Right-click on it, and select Delete. Restart your computer and run the game. Last thing you will do is to check is your graphic driver up to date. And also check do you have any Windows updates to install. If you do, install them and restart your computer and run the game. If none of these methods help, then you will need to reinstall your Fall Guys. And hopefully it will run normally after installing a fresh one. With this, we came to the end of this video. If any of these methods worked for you, please hit that like button, and subscribe to my channel with the bell on, so you can get notification when I upload my next Easy Way tutorial. Bye.